In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off back tap on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and sometimes it is quite convenient to assign some action by double tapping at the back side of your iPhone. We can just double tap or triple tap at the back side, and that will activate some action such as activating Siri, maybe scrolling page down or reducing volume on your device. I configured it in that way that when I double tap, that should activate camera up. Now I'm gonna demonstrate you how it works. As you can see, double tap at the back edge of at the back side of my iPhone has just activated my camera. However, if you wanna turn off that feature, then I'm gonna show you how you can easily do so. And guys, first off, we need to open up settings. On the settings, scroll down a bit and tap at accessibility, and then here select touch. After that, guys, scroll down to the very bottom until you find the back tap here. We can configure double tap and triple tap. Here we can set different options for each of these actions. As you can see, triple tap turned off now. However, by double tapping, it will activate camera, so we need to enter it. And here we can choose different action from that list. However, if you just want to turn it off, just select none here. As you can see, currently back tap option turned off for both of these actions. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.